guys, it's Jillian here, and today we're opening Shopkins.
Smoothie truck.
Smoothie truck. So here's the smoothie truck.
Ooh, look at this. Tables. Can you do this?
And this works great with the Shoppies. The blender works.
The blender.
What would you?
I'm trying to take this out.
Put that on the blender. It spins.
Oh.
2 limited edition Shopkins come with it. We'll put them in the blender yet. Show everybody what they are first.
Ooh, I love this kind of drink. This is my favorite. They kind of feel greasy, Daddy.
Let's drop them in the blender and see what happens. I think the blender's kind of like it spins, but it's more or less like a don't put your Shopkins in the blender kind of thing. And don't try to put your Shopkins in a real blender either. That wouldn't be nice.
No.
You probably wouldn't have the Shopkins when you were done.
Yeah. You have a Shopkins drink when you're done. Yeah.
What else is in there?
There's Shopkins down
Let me see.
here.
There's no Shopkins down there. What else is in here? There is 2 green seats over the table.
We can put these. No, Daddy, I know why it didn't work. Because you have to put them on this.
Oh, they're supposed to go on there like that and then spin them?
Let's see.
Okay. That's what I did wrong. Sorry.
Let's see.
Push the button. Yep. That's what I did wrong. Sorry.
It's okay. Here, this release Daddy. How do I put this back on?
Here's the seats for the table. One there. One there. Okay. There you go.
Ooh, they kind of
And that
show.
is the Shopkins Smoothie Truck.
They're gonna blend themselves.
I don't think the seat's for it though.
I'm gonna blend myself. I'm gonna go blend. I'm gonna get in that truck.
And remember, only use the blender that comes with the Shopkins. Do not put your Shopkins in a real blender.
Yeah, do not put your Shopkins in a real blender. Bye.